Hi, we're Positive Business. We are Beatrice, Rohit, James, Nadia, and Judith. We're a group of innovators passionate about sustainability. We don't want to go back to normal. We want to build something different instead. Post COVID-19, society will be facing huge challenges resulting in a financially poorer world. Efficiencies around access to resources will be essential. Doing good will become the norm. Small and medium-sized businesses understand the philanthropic and cultural value of sustainability, but those that focus on social and environmental outputs are disadvantaged by a traditional accounting system that incentivizes economic gains whilst ignoring the true cost of their activities. And this is a problem. Currently, sustainability is a nice-to-have mantra, a piece of marketing that charms with an audience, but rarely we have the power to validate sustainable behaviors or quantify them. Until now, the solution we envision is a social accounting platform built using blockchain technology, a ledger that records business activities and uses machine learning to analyze and predict social and environmental impact. In this way, tangible value is revealed from sustainable practices, which are then presented in a dashboard. Our model includes a validated reward system. Businesses earn Earth points that can be exchanged for collaboration and delivered within the community. Activity is validated and socially judged, ensuring trust and transparency. Through gamification, we incentivize businesses to compete in greening our economy. The inspiration for our project is a collective desire to change this paradigm, not in a grand gesture, but in significant small steps. Over the last 48 hours, we met and came together as a team. We did extensive research and discussed innovative ideas. We designed a customer journey and engaged and listened to mentors. We then developed and validated a concept and worked through its value proposition. And finally, we created a low-fidelity prototype in this pitch. But what's next? We will continue to develop the prototype for user testing. We will work on the marketing plan and refine the business model. We will seek partnerships and collaborations with organizations like the European Commission to help penetrate the market. And of course, we will stay in touch via Slack.